we talk about creating multiple offers. We are talking about repositioning our homes. When the owner of the house hire our team to sell the home, our objective, our goal is to create multiple offers, creating an environment. So if you're thinking of selling your home, you're hiring a marketing expert, especially in today's market. So today, we just gone over our listing. All of our listings are ranked as the #1 as far as traffic. We have over 30,000 buyers who are looking to buy homes in the area. What's the difference between a salesperson and a marketing guy? Marketing guy is, remember, what is a salesperson? Salesperson, remember yesterday we teach you, right, the whole 2 hours. What is a salesperson? They sell what they have. What is a marketing guy? What's the focus on the marketing? If you're a marketing guy, who's the focus? The client. Remember yesterday? The focus is on the client, so the center is the client. My job is to position your offer to be the most favorable out of these 200 offers that we have. So how do we do that? So Mr. Buyers, imagine if you're selling your home. There are multiple offers. One is subject to financing, one is not. Which offer will you accept? Because you want the home. Do you see this? So we as the marketing guy, we are leveraging the house. Do you see this? Once I find out exactly what they're looking for, now what do? I can go back and every day I'm gonna do my search and match analysis to homes that match their criteria. We are gathering all the buyers to come to this home, right? When the buyers come to this home, everybody focus on price. You should not focus on price. You should know better than that. So because of Michelle, 200 appointments just because of one home, that's equivalent to 40,000. And you just get it for free. Because most real estate agents just give it to us for free. They don't even call asking for a referral fee. Do you understand the power of this? How do you think the buyers can get access to the auction package? How do you think? Yeah, how? Tour of cards. Everything we do is in exchange. You understand? Always exchange. Everything is a trade in life, man. You know, you don't just give it out. The reason you have access to these homes, in addition to homes like this, I have more homes like this. Would you be available? Would you be interested to have access to more homes before the general public? Will that be interest to you? I have access to thousands of homes that match your criteria. Not only you cannot see online, I, Johnny, can give you access to these homes that you cannot see online before the general public. Will that be interest to you? You leverage the moment that the ISA giving you an opportunity before the general public, but you don't just show up there and write an offer. Yes, you write an offer, but you leverage that moment to say, I'm not just a real estate agent, man. I'm the guy. I'm positioning you as the real estate agent who have access to homes in your pocket that they cannot go anywhere else.